Where are we going? Shit, man. Filtering like crazy. Dun, 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 dun. Shit. Is it bad? Pipe. The pipe touch. I think it's actually not the pipe. I think it's the muffler. This happened twice actually today. Very bad. So I'm on my way to Makati anyway. Not to Makati. I'm actually doing BGC to Rojas Boulevard in Diamond Hotel. I'm going there for work actually. Well, it's actually pretty good. I need to make a quick run. The thing is from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. and now it's actually 2:30 and I will be leaving at 4:30. So this is how busy I am. Just go in and out. So it's basically a Wagyu workshop, Wagyu beef tasting. Well, hopefully they're gonna taste. I tasted one yesterday actually from the same supplier. It was very nice. It's like very nice. The only problem is 5,000 pesos a kilo. 5,000 pesos. So you need to, whatever, let's say you make a half kilo, you need to sell it, it costs you 2.5, right? So you need to make 3 times, or roughly 3 times or even more to make any money out of it. It's hot. It's getting hotter and hotter. You can tell summer is coming, man. My back is so sweaty and I got my towel at the back. Man, it's so hot. I'm not complaining, you know what I mean? I'm just saying it's hot. I know in London, like, not last year, but 2 years ago at that time in London, I'll be quite cold, to be honest. February. It's like, I think in London now it's like 2 or 3 degrees in the morning. So I'm not complaining it's too hot, but just mentioning it. Oh. 49! XCS 49 there! Fuck, if I knew I would go there to make the fill up the bike this morning. It's cheap, it's very cheap, that's why I'm surprised. But I don't go there, I don't pass by here usually, so no chance. 49, putangina. XCS guys, Rojas Boulevard, Petron, 49 pesos. I don't want to park outside. I just don't like the area, Malate. It's not you know, not the best. Kuya, where's the parking place for Diamond Hotel? Where is the parking for Diamond Hotel, please?
Parking, sir?
Oh, inside.
First 3 hours, sir, 120, and the subsidy 50 pesos.
First fair 120.
Yes, sir, 100.
Okay. Like, where's the parking motorcycle?
Just straight this line, sir, then right.
Yeah. Over there. Okay, thank you. 120 the first 3 hours. I thought BGC 50 pesos the first 3 hours was expensive. My god. But you know what? I'd rather to spend 100. I'm gonna spend 3 hours anyway. It's fine. No, I'm not gonna spend 3 hours, but I'd rather to spend 120. But the bike is secure, you know, and I know it's not gonna be touched. Then put it in a parking over there, and then you don't really know what's going on.
Generally, texture because even the to move or exercise, this portion is not to be not so much action, move. No?
このようにですね、一定の時にどれだけ動かしたか動かしないかによってかなり質が変わってくるわけです。
The softness of the meat is very depending on the history of the beef.
So they give me this. I don't believe the price. I don't think it's the real price, but I think the security like my bike. Hi. Okay, best way to go back, Rojas Boulevard, then I turn on the left in Buendia, and then I go up to BGC. They basically talk and cook. You get to try a little bit, like a small piece. I thought there would be a bit more to try, but it's okay, it's always interesting. I learned a new thing about Wagyu from Japan. You need to be pure Wagyu beef, pure Wagyu breed to be named as Wagyu from Japan. And like, it can be named Wagyu from Australia. If it's not pure Wagyu breed, you can still name it, you know, Wagyu, but not in Japan. So yeah, it's always nice to learn things and try new things. I was going more there to ask for price, and yeah, as I said, the thing that I tried yesterday was like 5,000 a kilo. So we're gonna have to walk away. Can we really order it or no? Is it worth it? You know, that's what you have to think when you have a business. That is it gonna sell? You know what I mean? It should be okay. I will see. It's always weird. I mean, it's always weird. It always make me smile when people tell me, "So where do you live?" In BGC, and I'm like, "No, Las Pinas." But you work in BGC, yeah. But it's so far. For me, it's not far. Actually, it's 20 kilometers. You know. It took me 45 minutes to come with no traffic. 35 actually with no traffic at all. Which is pretty good for city. And yeah, people usually think that, you know, when you tell them you ride a motorcycle, they're like, what? They don't really expect, I guess, foreigner to ride motorcycle around Manila. But it's always nice meeting different people, even if you have nothing in common, you know, just talking about random things, or mostly about work basically. That's all we have in common. Command, bam. Oh god, welcome to the filtering part. That's gonna be fun. Just moving more over there, go over there. Riding like shit again. Here we come. This guy got some bling bling on the bike, you know. Look at that golden part. Can you see better? Golden part everywhere, man. So on that wave. Golden on that wave. Oh, tight beach. Okay? Just smoke. Relax, no problem. I think you're just smoking a cigarette. Is it? Look at that car. Volkswagen. Very nice, sir. Look great, man. Very nice painting. So 35 minutes later, back in BGC, going back to work. Going back to work now. Come on, you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my